with another video. Today we are going to be detailing my truck, like full detail. I told you guys I was going to do a full detail a couple videos ago. I don't think I was, but I am. This video, my truck's outside. I have to park it in the parking lot where I usually wash my truck, and we are going to do a full detail. We're going to do foam. We're gonna do not foam. We're gonna do soap. We're gonna brush it because I don't really care about my paint because my truck is gonna get repainted pretty soon. Just keep watching. I'm not gonna tell you the color yet, but you guys just have to wait a couple months for that. Also, I am going to wax it. I'm gonna dry it first with a microfiber towel, and then I'm gonna re-dry everything with a little small yellow microfiber towel. And after, I'm gonna vacuum up the insides because I got my new stereo. No, not stereo. What the hell? My new speaker setup in there, and I got a new speaker box for my 10s that I have in the back seat. But yeah, let's go do that right now. I'll see you guys outside. I am gonna prop the camera up. I might put on a sweater, depends how cold it is. Oh, it's pretty warm. All right, so yeah, that just makes the day way better. Got the keys right here, so let's go do that right now. So I did get the truck where it's supposed to be parked at, right there. But yeah. Now I just have to open up the garage and get this stuff to wash the truck. So it's gonna be pretty good. It's pretty dirty right now. Got a lot of bugs on the windshield. But yeah. So I'll put you guys somewhere where you guys can see me wash. And yeah. Yeah, we got everything set up right here. I'm gonna wash it right now, but you guys are probably wondering, why, Diego, why don't you use a power washer? Because I don't want to risk actually scratching like my whole paint job, because there is a high risk that you will most likely scratch your paint job than with the actual brush. Because after, you could actually fix those scratches with the microfiber. You'll be all good. But yeah, but we're just gonna get this done. I'm gonna set you up for time lapse, and yeah, should be good. Yeah. We did just wash it. Now we're gonna let the tire sign soak in with the water. We're gonna wipe the rims after that's done soaking in. And then after, we're gonna start polishing it. Sorry if there's so much wind, but right now I'm just gonna dry it. We'll do like a wet, like little, like, I don't know, B-roll. There you go, B-roll. And yeah, let's do it. that's the end of the video. Guys, like, subscribe, do all that. I did finish the truck, but then I didn't record, and I'm back inside. And yeah, but I did vacuum it, I did polish it, I did everything. It looks nice. But yeah, I'm gonna get editing this video, and yeah, see you guys later.